Yeah. What is up, guys? It's your boy Keem. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Now, if you're new, welcome back. And if it's the first time you are clicking on my channel and you're not from Jamaica, I'm a Jamaican. Welcome to my Jamaican content. Now, I heard a lot of things about BTS crew. What I'm gonna do today, I'm gonna do a reaction to BTS Run BTS. Now, it's the first time I'm gonna do a reaction to this group. I do a lot of reactions to different overseas personnel, but they are the first. So I guess it's gonna be a good experience. It wasn't suggested by anyone to me. Without further ado, guys, please share, do the necessary. Let's go into the BTS reaction. Peace.
Okay, let's go.
Well, well. No, I have a witness of what these kids enjoyed so much every day. Whoa, great voice, great voice. I'm amused, great voice. These guys are good. No, I'm thrilled. I'm a Jamaican, but these musics give me thrills. Yeah, I'm thrilled. Yeah, man. Yeah, they are dancing. They are dancing. I mean, like, the movements are insane. The singing are insane. I mean, like, the combination of each one of them singing are insane. I mean, like, great harmony. Harmonious singing, guys. Harmonious singing. Bravo. Bravo. Rock and roll. I love rock and roll rhythm. I love rock and roll beats. It's just nice to sit and enjoy a rock and roll. He's good. He's good. Even though I don't understand one thing they're saying because I guess it's in Japanese, but nice rap skills, bro. If you are a American or you are a Jamaican, trust me, you will get so much love from a Jamaican. I literally love your voice, bro. I'm not gonna be biased. This gives me the move, bro. This gives me the move. Wow, guys, sorry for my outburst, but that is how we move whenever time our music is enjoying. This is enjoying. Yo. Guys, you got it. Guys, I need to state in the comment section which other song of the BTS crew should I react to. Please, just give me anything. I react to anything. They are just Yeah.
Yeah, you gotta run.
Yeah.
Run, bulletproof.
Yeah. Yo, that shirt remove is so damn neat. Yo, shirt neat, dog. Guys, this is so neat. This is just too neat for them, bro. I mean, like everyone is just moving at the right time, at the right pace. Guys, they are just so. You guys, if you are a fan of BTS and you are watching right now, man, I love your band, man. I love it, man. I love it, man.
Who's coming the road? 달려도 다리로. That's all you do it all. Hey, hey. 그렇게 증명했어. 얼굴 22. 100만 불짜리로.
Yo, bro, he can DJ. He can DJ. It's just that he's a fast rapping DJ.
지민이 free. Don't sing. 남준이 ho. Don't sing. 용경진. Don't sing. 정우이 모두 있어. Sing. Get ready, get ready, get ready, get ready, get ready. 앞으로 더. 고개리, 고개리.
Yeah! Yo, Jalo, bro, Jalo.
고개리, 고개리, 고개리. 달리자, roar.
Yeah, man, yeah, guys, yes. I'm so happy I'm reacting to this right now. I'm so happy. Bro, it is so energetic to watch these guys giving so much energy. Energy! Burn off for energy, yeah. Maru. Energy. Burn off for energy, yeah. Yeah, bro. Bravo, guys. Bravo, guys. Bravo. This is good. Yeah, bro. Guys, this was good. This was a good song. I gotta say, good performance. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Please comment your favorite song that I should react to on the BTS camp. Feel free, I'll do so right now if you state your comments. Stay tuned, look out for more reaction like this. It's a boy Kim. Please remember to subscribe, do the necessary. I'm out. Merry Christmas, y'all. Peace.